Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the information regarding Canara Bank SO post for 2020. The total number of vacancies which the bank has released is 220, and in this video, you are going to know the exam pattern, the dates and also the syllabus which is going to be covered for this particular examination. The post details are as follows: Backup Administrator, BI Specialist, Antivirus Administrator, Network Administrator, Developer Programmer, System Administrator, SOC Analyst, Manager's Law, Cost Accountant, and the rest of the posts which are appearing here on the screen. The rest of the post details are also covering up like Data Mining Expert, Base 24 Administrator, Ethical Hackers, Middleware Administrator, Data Analyst, Manager, Senior Manager, etc. To the corner of the screen, there are a number of the posts which are mentioned. Please look to it accordingly. The selection process for this examination consists of 3 rounds. Number 1 is the online test, number 2 is group discussion, and number 3 being the interview. So candidates, please make sure that you have to go through all of the 3 rounds in order to secure a post. You should not skip any of the round to get further. Candidates are requested to please remember about the examination dates, and these are the dates which you have to take note of. The notification release date is on 20th of November 2020. The online application will be starting from 25th of November 2020, and the last date for application is 15th of December 2020. Please make sure that you have a note of the last date and please don't wait till the end to apply. Your application process should be completed before the date of 15th of December. This is the exam pattern for Canara Bank's posts. Number 1 is professional knowledge in the area of specialization. Number 2, you will be tested in English language, and number 3, the latest developments in the banking industry. Now for these 3 sections, candidate have to answer all the 3 sections, which consists of the following marks and also the time limit. You will have to answer the questions of in the first round of 50 questions with 100 marks, second section with 50 questions, 50 marks again, and third section 50 questions, again 50 marks. The time limit given for you to complete is 2 hours with 150 questions carrying 200 marks. The education qualification that this post demands is a candidate who have passed a BE, BTech or a Master's in Master's Technology, Computer Science or Information Science, also engineering and electronics, or any other equivalent qualification from a recognized college or the university which is also recognized under the Government of India. Please make sure that you take a note of it. Also, the age limit is categorized accordingly. According to the age, it is divided. So pick out your age and then you can see what the specialization you belong to. If you are a candidate who is between 20 to 30 years, you can apply for these posts which I am reading out here now, which is Backup Administrator, Extract, Transform and Load, ETL Specialist, BI Specialist, Antivirus Administrator, Network Administrator, Database Administrator, Developer, Programmer, System Administrator, and an SOC Analyst. Please make sure that you are correctly applying according to the age which I have been mentioning here. And the second category is 22 to 35 years, which carries all of these posts like Manager's Law, Cost Accountant, Chartered Accountant, Managed Finance, or Ethical Hackers, OFSS Techno-Functional Base 24 Administrator, Storage Administrator, and rest of the posts which are mentioned here on the screen. Remember, for the third category, which is a Senior Manager, which I have mentioned here, the third category is a Senior Manager, and for the Senior Manager, the candidate should be between 25 to 38 years old. So according to the age limit, you can categorize the post and then apply accordingly. Coming to the salary details, for JMGS1, you will be given 23,700, and for MMGS2, you will be given 31,705, and for MMGS3 it is around 42,020. So accordingly you can have a bit of idea about the salary details that the post accordingly will be handling up to you. And the application fee is divided according to the categories that you belong. For SC, ST, PWD, the categories have to pay only 100 rupees with a GST, and for all the other categories, the fee charges is 600 rupees with the GST. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you all like this video. Please make sure to put it down in the comment section below if you have any doubts or if you need any clarification. We will look into the comments and respond to your questions very soon. Share it with your friends, whoever is going to take up this exam very soon, because the last date of application, as I've mentioned, is soon approaching. So please share it with your friends for their early response. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more learning videos and placement videos hereafter. Thank you for watching Freshers Now.